Okay. 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 Here we go. Selena, you're going to be up first. We're going to do the same thing before. We're going to relate sides to angles. Okay. Get me started, please, Selena, if you'd be so kind. Yeah. What's that? Yeah.
55, 8,
Yes.
58.
Sine 58. Good. Thank you very much. Richard, what is that going to be equal to, please? Very good. So all we're doing for, thank you for calling it sine. All we're doing for this, right, is the side with the opposite angle. That's the key thing that you need here. Okay. Miranda, you're up. What do I do now, please?
Then you cross both sides.
Yeah.
X equals 10 times sine 58 divided by sine.
Very good. And then it's calculator time. Yep, you got it. 9.4. Very good. Can I get people to confirm that? Wonderful. Okay, so the way you'll think of math always goes in opposites. No matter what type of math you're doing, opposites can happen, right? Addition goes to subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, square rooting. And in this, if we can find the side of a triangle, conveniently we can also find an angle of a triangle too, using sine law. The difference is going to be, instead of treating it as sides compared to angles, we're just going to use the angles on the top and the sides on the bottom. Yeah, exactly. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so Adam's right. He says, I'll only be giving you, in this case, one angle on the inside and then two sides. That's going to happen. Very good. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be example 3, which is going to say solve for theta. I'm even going to call it use sine law to solve for theta. And my example is okay. Now, first things first, for anyone except for Adam. Okay. When I look at this question, number one, I told you to use sine law, but I love SOHCAHTOA. I love it a lot. Why can I not use SOHCAHTOA? This is really, really important for you guys for your test. Yes. Not a right angle triangle. As soon as you see a right angle triangle, then you can use SOHCAHTOA, which you'll do on your final exam. But if I give you one that's not a right angle triangle like this, you have to use sine law. Okay. So I'll get you started. This time we said I'm going to do the opposite and do angles over sides. Okay. Now again, you can do sides over angles, but the difference is going to be in this case, because your unknown is in the denominator, it's harder to solve. So you just in general want your denominator to be in the your unknown to be in the numerator. Can I get someone that's brave and wants to be really, really brave? Go. So we're solving for theta. So I'm gonna, yeah, not careful. I'm gonna do sine theta, because if you remember, theta always, angles always go with sine. Okay, cool. What's related to theta? Careful. So you're thinking here for this, angles relate to sides, right? So if my angle is theta, what side is related to the theta? 18, because the one directly across, right? So sine theta relates to 18, right? Because they're across from each other. I get someone else that's brave to do the other one. You're on fire. Go ahead. Yeah, now you say 65, and I see on some people's paper they're just writing 65 and adding it in later. Angles only go with sine, right? So you can't just say 65 degrees compared to 17. It's not. It's got to be sine. Okay. Please ask. There's a question over what's happened so far.
No, but then once you get to the next step, instead of doing sine, are you still doing sine?
Yeah. Okay, I'd like someone else to be brave. Adam, you're always brave. This is why I'm supposed to have Spider-Man. Where'd Spider-Man stop? That's okay. Adam, take it. Go.
So then you would just do sin 65 times 18.
Yeah, good. I do it the other. Either one will work out, but I'm going to probably do it like this.
Well, sin theta equals, and then just that divided by 17.
Very good. Now let's just watch slowly what's happening here. Excellent, by the way. Very good. This is your saying here, sine theta divided by 18. You want to get rid of the divided by 18. The way to get rid of dividing is to multiply, right? So it just comes across. Awesome. Wonderful, in fact.
What I said?
That bothers Mr. Lacey crazy there. You see. Okay. So this is the thing. There's a few different ways you can do this. What I would probably recommend doing right now is to do your calculator out and do 18 times sine 65 divided by 17. Please do not round.
When I do it that way, it doesn't work exactly.
If you
I
can,
take sin 65 times that
that's
by-
fine as long as it works. Sine. Okay, so we're going to say sine theta equals 0.95. I'm going to say that you're wrong. I'm assuming there's a lot more decimals than that. I got 0. I got 0098 is what I got. Okay, so we'll go with mine. All right, as long as you're close up to about 8 decimal places, we're probably okay. Okay, if the last one's off by 0.1, we can probably live with that. Now, here we go. This guy, stop for a sec, please. I need to make sure you're able to get to that. Was anyone unable to get to that? Please take a second and try in your calculator, because it's very, very easy to follow me, right? But I need you to physically try get that 0.95 number. That's the difficult part of this question. Take a second. Oh, you guys? Okay, as long as you got up to, I maybe have more. So you're up to, as long, okay. Ooh. Please, Mr. Lacey, have you heard of people so accurate as this in all your life? Okay. How did I just put my ... right here? Okay, so good. We're happy now? Okay. All right. Yeah, yes, Adam.
You complain about us being accurate, but in math, is that not the whole point?
It is the most, I'm not complaining. This, Mr. Lacey, these
Guys, 4 hours sleep at the most over the past number of days. So
3 weeks, yeah.
give him a break. But I like what you said. Yeah, we do.
I told
Thank
her
you.
all about that.
And what'd she say?
She said, it's
Yeah,
her
your
first child.
grand.
Second.
I'm like, no, it's success, but,
Your father-in-law about rounding. That's how Bill.
Yeah, he listened to this. He listened to this. Don't say that. Okay, how to get theta by itself now. This should come back to you from before. Richard, how to get theta by itself? You say divide by sine. I don't like that. Yes, it is, but how do you get rid of the sign? It's not divide by sine. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, Benton. Sine. Okay, so no one heard that because you guys wait. You guys are all talking. Somebody heard that, but Benton quietly said sine inverse, and he's correct. Okay. So what sine inverse, remember, is just going to be theta equals sine inverse of 0.959620098 ... or whatever your number happens to be. Now again, all you do for that, remember, is second or shift sine, and you get the angle. Okay. So everyone take the next 10 seconds of their lives and actually do that. You good? Are you good?
I got 72. All rounds up.
I got 73.7 is what I got. Okay, so what's your whole sec? Shh. It's been a while, ladies and gents. Oh my goodness. When my mother hears this video, I don't know what she's going to say now. Okay, so if you have this, guys, please. When you have this angle, all you have to do, every calculator works a little bit differently. If you have that number and then hit enter and then do second sine, that's normally enough and it'll take it. Right, so basically if you type in this equals and then just do second sine or shift sine, that'll be enough to get that. Was anyone unable to get that? Please take a second and make sure. Rowan, how you doing? Rowan, you're good? Rowan, you're good?
wait, what?
Does it round up, I hope?
Yeah,
Hold on. Yeah, 0.66, so it rounds up. Okay, so let's, one last time.
I got that.
Just one sec. Okay, so let me just, hold on a sec. So if you can see on the board here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 65 in sine. You probably can't see that at all, but go with me. If I can find my times 18 divided by 17, and you get 0.95962000098 ... Then what I'm going to do is inverse, or for you, second, and then sine, and you get the answer right there, 73.66. inverse or shift or second, it'll be at the top left of your calculator,
Okay.
and then sine, and then sine.
Oh.
Good? You're good?
I get it now.
You're good.
Just keep your answer.
I was like, what?
Okay, I'm going to hit pause on this video here right now, and then we'll keep going.
I didn't get it.